This is the Hess Fire Truck with car and motorcycle. It is the Hess 60th toy truck. So the Hess truck started in 1964 and now it's 2024. So it is a fire truck again. It has realistic LED lights, a towering ladder. So here is the ladder. It goes all the way up, so pretty tall. The ladder also turns all the way around. It comes up and goes down. It has over here, like these lights that turn. We have all our sounds, so let's look at this. Realistic sounds. Then we have our next button. Actual fire truck. This retails for about $50 online on the Hess website. It's brand new. It just came out. Another fire truck sound. And another fire truck sound. So as you can see, the 4 buttons. We have the realistic lights. Then it comes with a car. So we press this button. This opens up. We pull out the ramp. And here's the ramp. And here is the car. So my ramp can go all the way down. So this is the car. This is a pullback car. So it is a full pullback car, and of course it has its own lights. So it lights up. And it's a pullback car. It's the Fire Chief car. Has 2024 Fire Chief car. So you can play with this separate because it is pullback. It'll keep going. And you can put it back in on the ramp. Close it up. Again, the trucks make sound. And then here, in there, we have the motorcycle. So the motorcycle is here. It is also pulled back. Doesn't work as well as the car though, but it is a pullback motorcycle for going. And here we are, kind of has 2024. So there is your motorcycle. Then he goes back in there. Close him up. Now the doors do not open. You can actually put people in the fire truck. Here is the other side. So again, the Hess, you can see inside. There's the car. There's the motorcycle. These are like your pretend houses. They do not come out like some really old Hess trucks. And then again, you got the lights. So if you just want to have the lights on, it lights up. Very cool. Turn the lights off. Here's the lights flashing first. So we have lights on, we have lights flashing, and then we have lights off. So very fun truck because it has the car, the motorcycle, the sounds, the flashing lights. Very realistic. Especially if you love Hess trucks, if your child loves fire trucks, fire play, and then again, it comes in this really nice box. You could just also get it as a collector's item. So realistic LED lights, towering ladder, rotating searchlights, which I showed you. These are these. Drop down doors. So that's for the motorcycle. And the pull-out ramp, pull-back motor, and it already comes with the batteries, and they'll be easy to replace. So there we go. There's our Fire Chief car. coming on out the back. The clamp comes on out as well. You drive it back on in. And every time you use it, it makes sounds. And it's just very cool. Definitely recommend the new Hess Fire Truck with car and motorcycle.